Quick Scan is perfect when you don't want to set up a full scan job. You just want to know what PII is in this file. This real-time scanning is especially useful in automated API workflows. In the main menu, click Quick Scan. Use the Upload button to select a file: Word, PDF, Excel, CSV, JPEG, and so on. Once uploaded, scan results appear immediately. You will see all detected PII records, as well as the overall document severity. The same Quick Scan call is also available through REST API, allowing your IT team to scan documents in real time and take action right away. Routing or redacting documents is needed. If you need a safe version without PII, download a redacted copy of the scanned document using the Download button and select Download with PII redacted. Remember, files scanned here are not saved into your PII Tools inventory. Once you close Quick Scan, the results are gone. This makes Quick Scan lightweight, private, and ideal for continuous real-time streaming workflows. Quick Scan gives you fast answers for individual files without cluttering your inventory. For more help, check the online documentation or contact your PII Tools support team. If you want to learn more about PII Tools, follow our YouTube channel and LinkedIn profile for more tutorials and resources.